What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video of One Low V6. Today we're gonna be going and riding the four-wheeler with the homie Roger, and then my uncle. He's a little bit younger than me, but he's still my uncle. He's gonna be bringing his truck over, and we're gonna be taking videos of it and showing it to you guys. So yeah, guys, stay tuned.
Desde morro me enseñaron a ser bien cabrón. Poco a poco fue creciendo este chavalón. Mi madre con su respeto, ella me educó. Los consejos de mi padre siempre llevo yo. Él fue quien me ha enseñado a ser verdadero.
Continuamos con un correazo que se llama Vengo a aclarar, márquele como me leció. Antes de comenzar voy a barajar mi vida como cartas, no puede ganar. No te llevaré, es mi proceder. Tal vez gano el volado y mi suerte cambiaré. Antes de nada pienso buscar todo lo que tengo hasta mi alma colegial. Bueno, malo estoy para no quedar. Desde niño aprendí a trabajar para gastar. El oficio no importa, solo la humildad. Al toro le piqué y aún sigo de pie. Navego el volante que cargo los pies. Solo un pantalón y ya dejé. Sencillo y reservado, así me mantendré. Todo es escuela, buen estilo estudié. Solo el personal, no hay que hablar de más. Porque el presumidor muy mal le va. Guacha a tus amigos, cuál es lo real. Me fijo en detalles y cuál va a traicionar. Tengo dos de ayer y otros de atrás. Mi primo proyecto y el swing singular. No somos solo un ¡Vámonos, viejo! ¡Como orejón! ¡Vaya, viejo! ¡Ay, nomás! Amistades de más y con mi prioridad. Mi madre que no falte, jamás supo negar. Hermanos queridos, al mí conmigo están. Y recuerdo a Sergio y en el cielo está. Como nos besa, con su tragedia. Mil veces recuerdo, falta mi presencia. Arrieros somos, brindo por potencia. Ya se apagó la lumbre y quedó el pulsón. Soy el tren para la noche, apurado en Oregón. Me voy a desviar para la de Navidad. Me voy a la Angelina 5-6 de radar. Un fuerte abrazo para mi familia y grandes amigos. Y lo que hay arriba, vengo a aclarar algo de mi vida. Y no más.
Alright, guys, we picked up a little cover for the truck. About to go put it on right now. Got the stand set up so you could record. This is the little rag. Got it from my dad. He wasn't using it, so I figured I'd put it to use. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be recording me putting it on. New Street.
Here we got the troqueando, and we got Firulais, and the bitch is over there, and the bitch over there.
Alright, guys, that's pretty much how it's gonna sit. It's for a 4-door truck, so I mean it's not gonna fit perfectly, but for sure reduce the sun. Need to lower the side real quick. Yeah, guys, keeps a color match. The new paint from getting chipped or anything like that, or the clear coat getting faded. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much how I was gonna say it. The homie Victor, I mean, my uncle Victor, my uncle Victor isn't gonna come today. He said he had to do something. So tomorrow he should be coming through and we're gonna be recording it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I will be picking up the camera tomorrow. What is up, guys? Today is currently the next day. Victor just gave me a call that he's about to get here. So yeah, guys, I'll record when he pulls up. Ya llegó el cut. Check cut, Victor. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, man?
A la verga, cut. Si no traes peanut, cut. About to fly out, brother. Alright guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for today's vlog. My Uncle Victor, he still has a lot of stuff to do on that truck. We will be making more videos with him and showing the process of his truck also. So yeah guys, please stay tuned. He didn't get to really explain about the truck, but pretty much it just has a 2.5 drop, I believe. It doesn't have a C-notch, but he's planning on putting one soon. Pretty much it's just a V6, has 130k miles, which is pretty good. And then it has a new paint job all around. I think it's just missing the bumper. And then I think that's pretty much it for the truck. Please leave a comment down below if you like what you see. Catch you guys on the next one.